animals you can see only in Australia. Number 1. Kangaroo. Tell anyone you are going to Australia and one of the first things they will ask is if you are going to feed the kangaroos. Yes, these animals are only seen in Australia. These native Australian animals are macropods, meaning big foot. Red kangaroos, tall and strongly built, are the largest marsupials and the largest Australian mammal, sometimes standing at over 6 feet tall. Number 2. Koala. These iconic Australia animals are marsupials, a kind of mammal that is born undeveloped and is carried in a pouch. One of the best places to see koalas in the wild is Kangaroo Island, a natural island sanctuary home to many of Australia's native animals. Number 3. Wombats. They grow up to 3 feet long and can weigh between 44 and 77 pounds. Their waddling walk and pudgy appearance make them seem slow and docile, but they can run up to 25 miles per hour. As highly territorial creatures, they attack when defending their territory. Wombats dwell in burrows dug with their long claws. You are most likely to see wombats roaming Cradle Mountain in Tasmania and the Blue Mountains outside of Sydney. Number 4. Tasmanian devils. Coupled with red ears and disturbingly wide jaws lined with sharp teeth, the settlers decided to call these creatures devils. This is how the Tasmanian devil got its name. As the world's largest surviving carnivorous marsupial, they tend to eat carrion more than hunting live prey. Small native animals such as wallabies, wombats and possums are favorites, though they'll also devour reptiles, birds and even sheep. Tree kangaroos. They typically grow up to 3 feet tall and weigh up to 30 pounds depending on the species. Tree kangaroos dwell among the trees in tropical rainforests of the mountains in Queensland. They hop just like kangaroos but rather awkwardly, leaning far forward to balance their long, heavy tail. They are more bold and agile in trees, hopping across branches with the help of their powerful hind legs and tail. Tree kangaroos eat mostly fruit, leaves, tree bark and other foliage found in their rainforest habitat. Dingoes. Dingoes look like they could make a good pet but make no mistake, they are feral animals that cannot be approached. Though they share many characteristics with dogs, dingoes are decidedly not dogs at all. They are classed as a unique species called Canis dingo. Highly individualistic and naturally cautious, dingoes are very curious but are more likely to avoid unfamiliar threats and confrontation. They tend to shy away from humans, rarely showing aggression or attacking. The origin of these creatures is much debated, with recent studies suggesting that dingoes originally migrated from Central Asia. Quokkas. Quokkas are considered as the happiest animal in the world. This small macropod is in the same family as kangaroos and wallabies, with a Mona Lisa smile to add even more cuteness. Quokkas are herbivores that eat a variety of grasses and shrubs. When food is scarce, they can draw on stored fat in their tails for energy to get them through. Your best chance to see quokkas in the wild will be in Rottnest Island, a popular holiday destination off the coast of Western Australia. Platypus. Platypus is endemic to Australia and is dependent on rivers, streams and bodies of fresh water. The platypus is a protected species and is a member of the cloaca, the world's only egg-laying mammal. The animal grows to about 2 feet long and weighs 1 to 2 kilos. Although the platypus looks very friendly, be careful if you come across one. The male has a poisonous stinger on its hind legs. This poison is not dangerous to humans, but it can be very painful.